All right. Hello, Wildcat families. My name is Brandy Augenstein. I'm the Career Counseling Coordinator for Brea USD. And my counterpart.
Hi, I'm Megan Jansen. I am one of the counselors up here at the Brea Olinda High School, as well as a career technical education counselor on special assignment for the district.
And today we're sharing with you the 101 of Career Technical Education. So sit back, absorb some information, and would love to teach you all about CTE. So what is CTE? CTE stands for Career Technical Education. Some people think of CTE as being just ROP classes. Some of them think of them as vocational education courses, which is like an older term for what CTE is. But really, they're classes that prepare students for real-world employment and in-demand occupations. The formal definition is a series of courses that integrate core academic knowledge with technical and occupational knowledge to give students the skills needed for real-world careers. So anytime you see these little logos, those are usually a logo for specific pathways. What's a pathway? We'll get to that in just a minute. But first, here's a quick video all about CTE.
To take on the real world, right? So what's the secret? Say hello to CTE. CTE is Career Technical Education. Maybe you've never heard of it, but CTE gives learners an academic foundation along with technical skills and hands-on experience in a whole bunch of different areas to help them get ready for the real world. Think of CTE as a high school experience, but with even more value because it fills a big gap for a lot of students. In fact, CTE learners and their parents are 3 times as likely to say they're very satisfied with the ability to learn real-world skills as part of their education as compared to non-CTE learners and their parents. And since over 75% of CTE learners enroll in post-secondary education after high school, CTE is definitely creating a path to college and career success. And get this, they have a graduation rate over 10% higher than non-CTE students. Did you know 89% of parents think students should receive more education about career choices while in high school? That's where CTE comes in. Think about it. Is it better to experiment with career choices when you're paying money to do so in college? Or should it happen in high school so students know a lot earlier whether a career option is the right fit? The answer is fairly obvious, don't you think? Now let's talk about why CTE is good for business and industry. It's pretty simple. Companies want skilled employees, and they're having a hard time finding them, which can cost a company money in lost productivity. Enter CTE. 6 of the 10 hardest to fill positions are in technical fields or require a CTE background. In fact, about half of all CTE learners are enrolled in programs in leading fields such as healthcare, STEM, and information technology, matching employer needs with student passions. CTE programs directly connect learners in high school and post-secondary with employers through internships, apprenticeships, and other meaningful on-the-job experiences. When it comes to CTE, more than twice as many CTE parents report being satisfied with internship opportunities. That means a lot of doors are being opened for kids. So here's the bottom line. Parents want their kids to find a career they can be passionate about. Kids want the same thing. And when you think about the real world, what could be better than having learners enter a field they know is right for them with a ton of hands-on experience? It's all possible thanks to CTE. CTE, learning that works for America. To learn more, visit careertech.org.
All right, so what is a CTE pathway? A CTE pathway is a sequence of courses, normally about 2 to 4 courses within a specific sector that prepare students for post-secondary options in that specific field. There's so many different benefits to completing a CTE pathway. A few of the benefits that we can list right here: you have the opportunity to earn industry recognized certifications. You have the ability to add this to your resume, the experience you gain within the pathway. Some of our classes here at the high school are articulated with local community colleges, meaning you have the ability to earn some community college credit from your high school classes. All our pathway classes meet CSU and UC A through G requirements, and opportunity to create and follow a plan that matches some of your specific college and career goals. The pathways that we offer here at BOHS, we have quite the variety. There are different pathways. We have graphic design, and there are 2 courses within this pathway: digital design and visual communications. Cinematic arts, so if you're interested in video production, in creating movies. We have the art of video production and video production 1. We also have a culinary arts pathway. Culinary 1 and culinary 2 are the 2 courses within this pathway. We have patient care, which has medical careers for a year, and then sports medicine and therapy. We also offer a Building Industry Technology Academy, also known as BITA, and this is a 4-year pathway. It includes BITA 1, BITA 2, BITA 3, and BITA 4. And then our GITA program, which is our Global Information Technology Academy, which is also a 4-year academy, beginning with GITA 1, GITA 2 as a sophomore, GITA 3 as a junior, and then GITA 4 as a senior. So as you can see, we have such a variety of pathways here at Brea Olinda High School that we hope that students can find something within their interests to take while they're here with us.
Another great part of our CTE pathways and programs is that we're embedded industry-specific and recognized certifications within our courses. So within BITA, our construction technology program, our students are getting their 10-hour OSHA card. In patient care, our students are becoming certified in CPR and first aid. And in culinary arts, our students are getting their food handler certification. All of these are tangible things that students are able to bring with them after high school into employment, put on their resume, and also help them further their careers as they continue onward. And we're excited because each year we plan to add more and more certifications to each pathway. Earlier, Megan mentioned college articulations. College articulations are an agreement between instructors and faculty members at our local community colleges that allow students to get college credit for the high school CTE courses that they complete. We have so far 5 colleges that we articulate with. Each of our programs has an articulated course or has one coming soon. And we're excited that many of our students obtain these credits when they get to college. For most students, it means they get to skip the first course or first 2 courses at the community college, meaning those courses were free and they're ahead of their classmates who didn't take CTE courses.
Another neat opportunity for students within our CTE pathways are our internships. So we have so many different local Brea business partnerships that have connected with our pathway teachers and have offered a variety of opportunities for our students. This is just a quick list of some of our local partners. We're excited to build on these relationships in the next few years as things kind of return to normal in the community. But we're so grateful for the opportunities that our pathway students have to connect even virtually now with a lot of our business partners. And as you can see here, the picture we have on the left of the screen is a picture of some of our students touring HBT labs a couple school years ago. And so we have a lot of our partners that offer internships and then also offer opportunities for our students to come to their facilities and learn from their professionals in the field. If you're interested in learning more or have any questions, you can visit our BOHS or Pathways page. We have the link here and there's more information specifically about each pathway. So feel free to reach out to either myself or Brandy Augenstein. We have both of our email addresses here and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.